Hey everyone, we are here with Titan Transnational up against Chaos Theory. This is a fast advanced Titan that we're hoping to get up and running. Opening hand is not very quick, has shipment though, has preemptive to get it back, and has ice, so I think it might be okay. Chaos Theory probably not going that quick. I haven't played much Titan fast advance, so I don't actually know what's a good hand. I assume you want to get Atlas out early. Okay. That's not the one you want to get out early, so we're just going to chill instead. Hopefully we can find an Atlas very soon and go straight into a shipment. They are playing Magnum Opus as you'd expect, and Hyperdriver. Okay, good to know. Well, there's the Atlas at least. So we can try and push this, I think. 3 credits, it'll give us enough to do the things we need. Oh, of course. So that did not work out well for us. Possibly should have just held on. Them's the breaks. So Cyber Cypher comes down, target server 1. Gets through easily. And we lose our first Atlas, which automatically puts us in a bit of trouble. I think we're just going to take it easy and try and go a bit slower. Magnum Opus though is going to be a pain. It means they can just chill out, they don't have to push, and it also means that they can get their setup pretty quickly. Now 2 preemptives when you have Audacity in hand is not great. We can install place 2 advance. It's not enough for us. I think instead we just go for the hostile. It's not what you want to do, but it's all we can do at the moment. Coming for HQ. It's not that important. Our hand is not brilliant, but if we can make things at least difficult, that's kind of the aim. So we still have shipment enabled. Of course, we do have to watch out for clot. This is not great. Let's bin 1 preemptive. It's come up way too soon. So there goes that for Dig Deer. Possibly another Hyperdriver coming out. Which means next turn is going to be pretty great. Oh dear. So this, we can get this scored, but at what cost? We'll lose our other fast advanced tools and a preemptive. Everything's so awkward. But I think we actually have to go for it. So it was a cheap score, but costly in terms of the tools that we lost. Unfortunately, without any sort of ice, we are going to struggle. And they are absolutely flying in their setup. Draw, preemptive. Send back, preemptive, preemptive, and a shipment. And we're up to 7 clicks again. Colossus is going to have to do some work. So I think we need to put Cobra over here just to prevent the free runs. Cyberdex could also do some work. And Oaktown arrives, so the element of surprise is well and truly gone. How likely is it that we can beat them to their barrier breaker? Not very. Well, there's Clot. Seems a little preemptive. Just as Atlas arrives. So, the fourth hyperdriver, if you will. But we know they're not playing Clone Chip, and they didn't get a Sacrificial Construct down, so unless they have 2 Clots, we are... that'll also do it. Targeting R&D. I do hope they run. Indeed they do. So let's show them the bad news. And we will trash the Magnum Opus, I assume. And we give them a tag. Let's trash. I think Magnum Opus, as tempting as some of the other ones are. They got rid of Acrisium. But missed everything else. Scavenge again for Magnum Opus, which shows how important it is, which means we might be able to sneak something out now behind the Enigma. Let's certainly try it and take a credit. And because they trash Crisium, Amakua doesn't gain anything, which is kind of funny. Dean Lister. Oh no! I wish I had Cyberdex all of a sudden. Actually, it wouldn't matter. So now it's about money. And this is going to work out just well for them. So they'll have 1 credit left to get in. And second Project Atlas goes to them. And there's Biotic. Perhaps we got a bit too preemptive. Let's put this on R&D. Let's gain a credit, and maybe let's try and go slower and get our third Atlas. Stick the Crisium on R&D. We can't really go for this safely, can we? This is okay as well, I suppose. Spiderweb. Spiderweb's probably more annoying, but I think for the moment we just take money. This is the issue about playing New Age Shaper. They can sit back and take an awful lot of money, which means this remote is looking dicey either way. R&D is thankfully shored up quite nicely. HQ is a bit iffy, but the Oaktown is probably the one we don't really want to score. And they're coming for HQ for Inside Job, which is an interesting splash. Does that mean that Amakua is their barrier breaker? I'm not sure. And there's Dean Lister. So that means we know that... what do we know? Well, we know that everything is a bit unsafe. So we're going to preemptive, send back a Crisium Grid. Let's send back another shipment. Let's send back another Cyberdex. I don't think they play a second Clot though, whereas we do play a second one of these. We're going to go Audacity. Also means that Archives isn't a good target now if they want to build up counters. Even though with Cobra sitting there, it probably wouldn't be great anyway. Let's res this anyway, because it forces them to use a Dean. We do have to watch out for the same old thing inside job though. And I think we can leave the Chrysium unresed. So we still have to watch out for the same old thing. How many more Deans are they going to play? It's possibly a third. There's shipment, which isn't much good to us at the moment. Cyberdecks we can put somewhere. It's probably better to have and not need than need and not have. We could put it in server 1 altogether. Try and bait out another Dean lister. And that would work out well for us. So we could get rid of another inside job. Could get another Dean. There's some good things that could happen here. Oh. Well, that also works, I suppose. So that's unfortunate. Deep data mining is a great card. And they do just enough, just as I thought we were, causing them to run out of steam. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Titan, if it can go really, really quick, it's really, really good. But we kind of fell off the wagon a little bit. Bit too aggressive with the Atlases. And yeah, just unfortunate timing some other places. But thank you for watching.